What does it take to be an expert front-end software developer? In this video, you're gonna find out. There are many different tech stacks front-end engineers choose to use, but of those tech stacks, I would say JavaScript is involved in 60 to 75% of those. It's probably fair to say JavaScript is considered a sexy programming language. And because JavaScript is so sexy, there are some really awesome frameworks built on top of it, namely Angular, Vue, and what I've seen most commonly used, React. But before you can begin learning these awesome frameworks, there are 3 things that you need to know. First thing that you need to know is HTML. If you're not familiar with what HTML is, you could kind of think of it as the most boring Word document ever. Basically, just words on a page. No fonts different, no colors different, just words on a page. It's pretty boring. The second one comes along with CSS. And it's kind of like in those TV shows where there's this really ugly kid, and then this really popular kid is like, oh, I'm gonna make you my passion project, and they do their hair and makeup, and suddenly oh, they're glowing. That's what CSS does to HTML. Suddenly you could have different text colors, different sizes, you could space things out differently, you could make charts, the works. It's pretty dang cool what you can do with just HTML and CSS. And once you've mastered the first 2, it's time for you to learn the sexy language, JavaScript. If you thought you were the hot kid in school now, it's like you're in high school, you think you're the shiz, and then boom, Tom Cruise lands, Top Gun music behind him, and he enters. And that's what JavaScript does to HTML and CSS. Now you could make things move on a page. You could capture users' data. You can build elaborate forms. You could do tons of stuff with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. And those are the 3 things that you need to learn before you can learn React. React is a sick language, and it was what I was most excited to learn when I was first getting started. It's built by Facebook, and it helps you turn your smaller applications into these huge enterprise-level applications that could serve millions of users at a time, like Instagram and Facebook do every single day. And just by learning the 3 basics in React, you're well on your way to becoming a front-end expert. Subscribe for more.